Hey everyone, I am here to show you my hair of the day. Today I am wearing Ellen Villa Girl Mono in the color Caramel Rooted, and I wanted to talk a little bit about this particular wig and how I like to style it. Because I don't love the way the front lays on this particular Girl Mono. It's very kind of flat, swoopy, kind of hangs in the face. I always wear this one clipped up just like this. This is my style for this wig. And I'm doing this because I want to encourage you. If you have a wig that isn't perfect for you and it doesn't work for you necessarily as it comes out of the box, styling is the solution when you have a wig that isn't great. And in this case, just clipping up a little bit of the front makes all the difference on this one and makes it fully wearable for me. So please do not let your wigs control you, get you down, make it difficult for you to be satisfied with the wig journey. Styling is always an option. Clips and bobby pins and headbands and all sorts of different things. Product can all make a huge difference. Please play with your wigs. Experiment with your wigs and don't just automatically assume because something doesn't work for you out of the box that it will not work for you. This is this journey's an evolution, and every time might be just a little bit different. Over time you might learn to wear a wig that doesn't look great out of the box, but until that happens, do some styling. I absolutely love this wig for a variety of reasons. I love the fibers. Ellen Villa makes some of the best lightweight, kind of fine denier fibers. They're super soft and they look very, very natural. And sometimes you just need to do a little tweaking. And on this one, this is the tweaking I need to do. So hopefully this encourages you a little bit. You can see that lace front. There is a monofilament. It's rooted. I love this color. It is just gorgeous. As a brunette, this is a blonde that I can absolutely wear because of that rooting, because of the warmth in the blonde, but it's not yellow. It's not red. Just a lot of really good stuff going for it. So Ellen Villa Girl Mono, one of my all-time favorites.